Hello, my name is Antonio Almeida. Today, I will talk about Scania Colombia and company that has made a significant impact in the transportation sector in our country. Scania is a Swedish company with a rich history in manufacturing heavy vehicles. Since its arrival in Colombia is a grow and established itself is a benchmark in the market offering innovative and sustainable transportation solutions. Scania Colombia was founded in 1974 and since then it was involved in the country. The company has transitioned from vehicle distributor to an integrated provider of transportation solutions, focusing on quality and sustainability. Over the years, Scania has adapted its products and service to the needs of the Colombian market, contributing to the development of the transportation and logistics sector in the continent. To quality and innovation has allowed the company to gain the trust of its customers. Scania offers a wide range of products, including trucks, buses, and industrial engines. Each of these vehicles is designed to meet the highest standard of efficiency and sustainability. Scania trucks are known for durability, fuel efficiency, and advanced technology. Meanwhile, Scania buses are ideal for public transportation, providing comfort and safety for passengers. Recently, Scania launched its new electric vehicle, a milestone. It is committed to sustainability and emission reduction. This vehicle is designed to offer an efficient and environmentally friendly transportation solution. Scania's new electric vehicle not only reduces CO2 emissions, but also offers lower operation costs due to its energy efficiency. Additionally, it is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, making it an attractive option for companies looking to modernize their fleets. This launch demonstrates Scania's commitment to a more sustainable future and innovation in the transportation sector, allowing with global trends toward electrification and green mobility. In summary, Scania Colombia has come a long way since in the foreign becoming a leader in transportation solutions. With its new electric vehicle, the company reaffirms its commitment to sustainability and innovation. I invite you to explore Scania products and consider the benefits of investing in sustainable transportation solutions. Together we can contribute to cleaner and more efficient future in the transportation sector. Today I present to you the Scania electric vehicle, which, besides being beautiful, represents a significant advancement in sustainable mobility. This truck not only impresses in other design but also with a commitment to the environment. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.